Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a fighter built for takedowns. Prioritize takedown, wrestling, and stamina. Once selected, adopt a pressure stance and use L2/LT plus the right stick toward your opponent to initiate a single-shot takedown. Make sure to mix a few strikes or feints first so the AI lowers its defensive threshold. This increases success. If you miss, recover quickly and reposition. Do not spam inputs, because predictable entries get stuffed and cost energy. Once you land the initial shot, chain immediately to a second takedown or control transition so the opponent can't reset. You should vary level changes and mix double leg attempts with trips to exploit different guard sizes. Pay attention to stamina bars and hit windows. A fatigued opponent yields higher success and slower sprawl reactions. When contact is made, commit to a specific control path. Front headlock for chokes, double leg to chest control. Trips to sweep, because half commits get reversed. You finish by locking dominant top control. Pin the hips, advance guard, and maintain chest pressure to neutralize escapes and lock the score. Once done, pace your control to conserve stamina and look for submissions or ground and pound openings. If the opponent sprawls consistently, create space with strikes and reshot when their balance is compromised, or pull into clinch to restart the sequence. If takedowns repeatedly fail, lower the training difficulty and practice timing and drills until your entries become
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.